Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we'll dive into the best LLC formation service for dropshipping business. Whether you're just getting started or looking to scale, forming an LLC is key to protecting your personal assets, saving on taxes, and boosting credibility. I'll be walking you through the benefits and the steps to forming an LLC. If you'd rather have a professional handle it for you, keep watching. I'll show you how to set up your LLC for just $39 with Northwest Registered Agent, one of the best services out there. So let's get started. So first off, let's understand why form an LLC for your dropshipping business. Well, we have three reasons for that. Number one is it will protect your personal assets. Dropshipping can scale quickly with one viral product, but it also exposes you to potential liabilities. By forming an LLC, you separate your personal assets from your business, keeping your home, car, and savings protected in case of legal trouble. And number two, tax flexibility. By default, LLCs are taxed as pass-through entities. This means that LLC's income passes directly to you, avoiding double taxation. Plus, with an LLC, you have the option to elect S-Corp status, which can save you money on self-employment taxes. Imagine cutting down those taxes while still paying yourself a reasonable salary. Sounds like a win, right? And then number three is to boost credibility. Customers are more likely to trust a business that looks legit. Having an LLC after your company name gives your dropshipping store an edge. It also helps when applying for business loans, credit, or even partnering with suppliers. And now let's proceed to choosing a formation service. Why Northwest Registered Agent? Now let's talk about the best way to form your LLC. Sure, you could do it yourself, but using a professional service can save you tons of time and headaches. I recommend Northwest Registered Agent for a few reasons. Number one is that they have a flat $39 formation fee. With Northwest, you can form your LLC for just $39 plus state fees. That's an incredible deal compared to other services. And number two is that registered agent service is included. So you need a registered agent to handle all your legal notices. And Northwest includes the first year of this service in their package, saving you even more money. And then number three would be privacy protection. They offer excellent privacy by keeping your personal details off public records. So if you want to get started, check the link in the description below to form your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent for only $39. Now let's go over the steps to form your LLC for your dropshipping business. So number one would be to choose a state. Most dropshipping business can benefit from forming an LLC in their home state. However, if you are using fulfillment centers, consider business-friendly states like Delaware or Nevada. No matter where you choose, Northwest Registered Agent has got you covered in every state. And then number two would be to pick a name. Your LLC needs a unique name that stands out in your state. Make sure it's distinguishable from other businesses and includes an LLC designator like LLC or limited liability company. Northwest Registered Agent can help ensure that your name complies with the state rules. And now step number three would be to appoint a registered agent. Now you can do this by yourself, but it is advisable that you use a professional service like Northwest Registered Agent so that you can be sure that you are doing everything correctly and you have guidance, especially if you are a beginner. And Northwest includes a full year of this service for free, and you can use their own address to protect your privacy. And then the next step, which is step number four, is to file your articles of organization. This is the official paperwork you'll file with the Secretary of State to form your LLC. Northwest will handle this for you, making sure everything is done right and on time. And then step number five is to create an operating agreement. While not required in every state, an operating agreement is essential for outlining how your LLC will run. This is especially important if you have business partners. Northwest can help you draft this document. And now lastly, step number six, get an EIN from the IRS. You'll need an employer identification number from the IRS for tax purposes, opening a business bank account, and hiring employees. Northwest will guide you through the EIN application process as part of their service. And that's it. Forming an LLC for your dropshipping business is one of the smartest moves that you can make for your dropshipping business. It protects your assets, saves you money on taxes, and builds trust with your customers. And with Northwest Registered Agent, you can have your LLC up and running for only $39. No hidden fees, no extra charges. So don't wait, click the link in the description and let Northwest Registered Agent take care of the hard work for you. That is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.